Your girl Strawberry, and this is Iziki. Please help me welcome. Hey, bafowethu. Sinomunye bathi ayidabangmazi. Kodwa ke uzozazisa. Tata sekhaya sawubona.
Hello, Dad.
And how are you today?
I'm good and I'm so humbled to be here. Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you too. Please, ngicela ukuthi uzazise, let people know who this goat is.
My name is Nkosana Checkmate Wakakhatebe. I'm from Guatemala and I'm a professional teacher. I work as a library cadet right now, and I belong to the Alphabet Gang.
Oh, the GPQ.
LGBTQ and I.
Welcome, Nkosana.
Thank you so much.
I wish to know ukuthi checkmate ubuyaphi.
Yes.
Yes, and then ngicela ukuthi uzazise nje kancane, just a bit brief about you ukuthi ngizalelwaphi, you know.
All right.
Yes.
Ngizalelwa eThema, ngikhulele eThema, ngafunda eThema. Then I got to get my qualifications at Israel College of Education, which I went on to become Mr. Israel College of Education. Lapha eThema engibuya khona, I'm the former Mr. Guatemala.
Oh wow.
Yes.
Oh wow.
Siyabonga lapha.
Shine to that. Thank you so much. Please welcome to Iziki. We are very glad to have you. Please take us through your journey.
Okay, i-journey yami iqale Guatemala, obviously, and I was brought up with the values of the Christianity. And then when I started working, I had everything in terms of property and cars. But what went wrong is when I started to experiment with cocaine.
Okay.
So now I'm rebranding and I'm honored to be invited into Iziki podcast because uqalela phansi life, it's not as easy as it may seem.
Very true.
Yeah.
Very true.
So i-purpose yami elifini ukuthi just live the best life.
Yes.
Yes.
So checkmate. Who is checkmate? Like your checkmate ubuya because your checkmate ufaka stamp.
Okay. Wow. Checkmate mina ku-ID akekho alikho igama elithi checkmate.
Okay.
But the name checkmate came about a chess game.
Okay.
Maso winile uyi-king, we say checkmate, game over.
Yes.
So when I decided to be done with cocaine, I said game over, and it means check your mates. Are they adding value into your life or but destructive now? So I said checkmate.
So that's how the name came.
That's how
And
the
here
name
I
came.
am thinking ukuthi checkmate after ijourney yakho njengoba uhamba, and now you are saying I'm reaching that goal.
Yes.
That's where you went, so you say checkmate.
Yes.
But I love the background of that.
Yes.
So ukhuliswa ubani?
Okay, mina ngikhuliswe ugogo nomkhulu.
Okay.
And funny enough, or ironic enough, bebazi, because I overheard them some other night, but thina inkonkoni dala siphila nazo. And considering ukuthi sikhuliswe Sunday School, Assemblies of God.
Oh.
Yeah. So when they passed on, my mom had a problem with my sexuality.
Okay.
Yeah, and that's where I void ikhula ke and kungena into yama-drugs.
Oh, so
Yes.
feel they neglected.
Yes.
Now that the supporting structure yakho is normal.
Thank you.
So ugogo nomkhulu who actually understood you, who
Yes.
actually looked after you.
Yes.
And
Yes.
okay.
So then mabashona besengihlala eSelcott, I had my own property at Selcott, but I started attracting bad friends, and I wanted to put up that facade ukuthi ngiyahephela, because you know my stava nifuna ukuhlale always
On top.
and mina naturally I'm an introverted person.
Okay.
I'm an avid reader. That's why I decided ukuthi siqale a book club.
Oh wow.
And that's why I work as a library cadet.
Today.
Yes. So manje benginalento ukuplease abantu. So now I've found myself, I'm content of how I live my life, and angenzela abantu or please abantu.
Can you take us through your journey yama-drugs? Ungena kanjani? And I hear you say you had a property, and in Iselcott, one of the good estates around
Yes.
La Springs.
Yes.
Yeah, I think you had a lavish lifestyle, if I could say.
Yes.
Please just take
I
us through
did.
your cars. ngike
Okay.
ngikunikeze nje leso sikhathi.
Hey, mfethu, I dated a politician,
Okay.
yeah, and bese ngiqala ngisebenza. So my lifestyle was funded.
Oh,
So that's why bengingayazi nebudget. Yabona? So that's how I got to be introduced to drugs, because I stayed with pop singer at that time, well known, and bengu company artist.
as well.
So I started having a nightclub in Springs called Club Radius. Mina ngumuntu ongeke ashaye ilalasi notshwala. So somebody introduced me to cocaine, and when I had my first knot, kwavuka idimoni lami.
Kwabanje
Kwaba-
nespree ongasazi.
Exactly,
Okay.
exactly. And then I chased that feeling.
Okay.
Ukuthi ngifuna ukuhlala ngiya-hyper and just try and please everybody. And I couldn't get out of that vicious cycle, because mawungena ema-drugs,
Bumnandi
ungena,
bubisi.
it's a revolving door. But mawusowuphakathi awusawuboni lo mnyango ukuthi khonje kuphunywa kanjani. So I had to be awakened spiritually. I'm not a religious person, but spiritually I'm very strong. I knew ukuthi it's a spiritual warfare, so that's what keeps me going right now. Because I read the word, I motivate myself, because there was a time la ikari zami bezingasekho, lost property, lost good friends, even family members. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi umama ke bekakhona ukungitolerate because of ama-assets. So nangu lengane sesitabane nje yodwa, akusekho ama-bands or ama-BM, angisateach because I resigned at work. I worked at a certain primary school called Guatemala, so ngathatha imali. Hey, ngaba I blew it.
So what mawuzoba yile ntuzana, since you were a teacher.
Yes, I'm still a teacher.
Yeah, no, you are a teacher. I'm saying that time you were practicing.
Yes, yes.
Yes. So as a teacher, how did you cope with your students being Napa, you are using a substance,
Yeah.
Napa, you've got students.
Yo, my students, those are the people kwamanje abangisapotayo, because teaching to me it's a calling.
Mm.
So eklasini I'd find different techniques and methods of teaching. Bengingateach ngenduku kuphela. So I remember my head of department ngelinye ngathi labantwana bayamthanda vele uRadebe ngoba ubukhosi wabo. You understand? Because
Yes.
I would motivate before even me giving a lesson. Ukuthi why is it important for a learner to be in class? Ngalelo langa. So I would negotiate myself.
So you were actually a parent to the kids, not just a
exactly.
friend, not just a teacher.
Exactly.
So you guided your students.
Exactly.
Is there anything you'd like to say to your student?
Ukuthi nangu lomkhulu ukhonile uqalela phansi, so whatever challenges ohlangabezana nazo in life, just know ukuthi ungakhona uqalela phansi and choose the right path.
Would you like to say thank you to them now that they are still supporting you?
Exactly. Merci beaucoup. That's thank you in French.
Oh, that's thank you in French.
Yes,
Oh,
yes.
merci beaucoup.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Now, so getting the glamour tracks.
Mm.
You are now losing everything.
Yeah.
Where are friends? Ngaleso sikhathi?
Okay, at that time I'm surrounded by bad friends, so-called bad friends, but those are the ones abaye bagijima bawutshela umphakathi ukuthi akusakhali nesento, because they were fake friends obviously.
Yes.
So they were there to benefit, and nami noma ngizama ukuthola umsebenzi, I would go back to them just to prove a point ukuthi angikakawo.
Yes.
You understand? And my decision making skills bezidayiwe ngazona. So bengayenza ama decisions are right. But my good friends beba saqhelile.
And they did come along to rescue you.
No one came to my rescue. I think uNkulunkulu bekafuna ukungithola in a space whereby lonke ithemba lami ngibeke kuye. Because even the so-called good friends, I would go to them, talk with the feeling Springs, just to submit a CV. So funeke ngicela imali yokukhwela itaxi. You can imagine from driving a sports car to not having
A
taxi fare. So I learned ukuthi yazi ithi ngizihambele ngeenyawo kwi-Springs, and I got used to taking those walks. So mangihamba abantu banokuthi ngiyayisheka, so I'd face the oncoming traffic.
And you
bese
walked tall.
ngiyazihambela, we walked tall. The resilience that I have, that's what got me through all those challenging times. So uNkulunkulu engasho ukuthi ungisizile nami with that thing ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi akuphelele.
So now that ukule journey phakathi futhi ufuna ukuthi mawuphuma ngifuna siphume sonke nalama viewers understand ukuthi lo mnyango bawuthola kanjani.
Yeah.
Because bowungasawutholi lo mnyango.
Yes.
Yes.
Ngawuthola ngenhlupheko. You know, inhlupheko, it's not only ukuswela izinto, but inhlupheko, it's the mental state whereby you cannot come up with solutions. I couldn't come up with solutions. I was in a very dark space. And bengikwenye indlu, kuleyo ndlu kusho ukuthi negundwane lakhona lihayi. And abantu bahleka njengobuhleka. But it's a practical example,
Yes,
because what they do is by injecting lelo gundwane with some cheap form of heroin. So at a later stage, by jova, jova. So I had to like think deep ukuthi vele yiyo impilo esengizikhethele yona. And this is not how I was raised up. So it's when I decided to go back to God and say, "Nkulunkulu ngicela ungisize man." Because kulowo muzi then saqhuba ngenhlonipho, you know, bekunganama-tiles or anything, uthole ngiyakoropa, but umntwana bezimteacher who's at that present moment ukuma-drugs uvakashele umntwana ohlala lapha. So amangale angithole ngiyakoropa, awusegadele. So I had to introspect and say, okay, this is not the life for me, and what do I do from here? And that's when I decided to take a decision.
How long did it take you to be clean?
The longest time ever. You know, because I always had my qualifications, which means I would be in a period whereby ngoba ngisasebenza imali ayingeni, bese khani ngithi thimbe clean, then ngiyempumalanga ngithola umsebenzi. Uma ngithola umsebenzi, after a few months, then I'll fall off the wagon.
Yo.
Yeah.
So history was repeating itself.
Exactly.
History was
And
repeating itself.
my family members were annoyed in terms of when I want to kita endaweni eyi-one, sizokhuza ngento eyi-one all the time. Ukuthi once waba nemali bese uyabuyela kuma-drugs, but ma unganamali uba right. So I decided ukuthi anginohlulwa imali, because imali, it's a spirit on its own.
Yes.
So I had to pray without ceasing ukuthi anginohlulwa imali, but imali mayingenzele kuhle kodwa.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Oh wow, I'm very proud of you.
Thank you so much. I'm proud of myself.
Yes. You should be. You should
under
be.
the bridge.
Yes.
Ngamampela.
Iyo.
And at that time,
From Umes Kwatema.
Mr. Watema.
Oh, Mr. Kwatema.
Mr. Watema, having driven a Mercedes-Benz, BMW Z3.
Oh wow.
Because I was on that verge, because you can imagine with being a son and 3400
down.
Springs.
Oh.
So I had to make that decision. This is not on. But itingekele ukuhlupha abantu, because trust besengiluzile abantu.
Yes.
Even the so-called good friends, bengizwe ukuthi ufundiswa abantu ubani ama-drugs. Besingekho sikhatheke New York and stuff like that. So I had to depend on myself and my faith in my God.
So there was no rehab. Did you go to a rehab?
No, I didn't.
You've never been to rehab?
I've never been to rehab. I've never been to rehab. And my drug of choice, yilama drug ukuthi uyakhona ukuhlala ungabhemi up until ingqondo yakho ivele ishift ngokunemali. So into engangayenza, I occupied my time with church activities and library programs. That's where I got to meet abanye abantu different, abana same goal, level ngifuna achieve. That's when I started joining a book club, you know, going to
Modeling.
church, not modeling per se because the same gugile at that time.
Also, we model before everything else.
Exactly.
So modeling was part of this whole journey, drugs
Yes.
and everything else. Okay.
Yes.
And now that's it, LGBTQIZ. Sanibonani ningixolele asikisa ngangakwazi ukuyibiza kahle. Alright. Now uthe bowumiste.
Yes.
Leso sikhathi leso bebe bangakabi khona abo Mr. LGBTQIZ.
No.
Oh.
No.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Not in my community.
Not in your community.
No, Mr. Guatemala, I would compete with heterosexual guys, but in Basha Makan.
Hayi bo
Thola
batrap.
my cherry now. Ngenhliziyo ngithi you know?
And abajaji akufuna leso
Yes,
sikhathi.
because I believe ukuthi sexuality yami doesn't define who I am.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah,
Not
it's
at
just
all.
a small percentage of who I am.
Yes.
What I do in my bedroom should be private enough. But angifuni ukuthi mangivela nje.
So you decide. Yes.
I'm more than that. I'm a spiritual being. I'm a sexual being. You
You're a
know,
great person.
I'm a great person.
A checkmate.
Ngiyabonga.
Hayi kubonga thina mntana sekhaya. Okay, ngikuzositshela ngokuthi you are now also a motivational speaker. Not a problem. You are now a motivational speaker as well. I've seen you as well on social media. I've seen you trending. I've seen you helping out. I've seen you as a donation, being involved in a segment in old age homes. Yes. Please take us through that. Ufika kanjani and what inspired that?
Fika ngokuthi my main aim was not to actually motivate people, ngithi motivational speaker. Ngifike lapho ngokuthi let me try and live my best life. Ngathi uNkulunkulu angifuni ukushona la emhlabeni ngiphila this mediocre life. There's so much more to life than this. So ngizophila life yami ngibe content because people have written me off. But with the confidence that I have, as long as ngiclean, ngizongithola uzongidlula nge-Audi yakho ringimele la ngeke ngigijimise ku-Audi yakho.
You are still that Nkosana.
Yes, because I believe ukuthi things that matter, they are for free.
Yes.
I understand your faith, your ambition, your resilience, your dreams, your purpose. So I started to have a mission and vision about my life. Ukuthi what makes Nkosana? Nkosana is not being made by material things only.
Yes.
Material things, they make life easier, but what then also lose lezo zinto?
Because
Do
you
you
will
tell
share
me
futhi
ukuthi
la.
anyeke usaba ukutlwana
No.
just because you lost one
No.
to you still are ukutlwana. So I said, let me turn these lemons into lemonade. So then I started doing my own thing. Then people started to label me as a motivational speaker because of how I do things. And people would tell me that my story inspires them. Not with the development from an inspirational thing, no. I'm just living my best life the way I know how. Pele.
So it's automatically happened.
Yes.
You just telling a story.
Yes.
And eventually kusasa so uthola so motivational speaker.
Injalo.
So uthola ama
Injalo.
invite ukuthi please.
Injalo mntanasekhaya, because I remember when I started working at the Guatemala Public Library.
Yes.
Omunye umashonisa abona ukuthi now I'm starting to do good things and sengiyagezeka. Athi wena uyinja uyangikoloda but ku-DM. Ngithathe la messages ngwafake ngale ku-public ukuthi mntanasekhaya khani ngiqeda ukuthola umsebenzi. But ke here's the info for you. Ngicela uJohnny Q. Ngibaningi
ngibakoloda. But that was was a bomb.
And I just want to be honest with you. Le wangiboleka yona 1,000 rands uzoyithola kuyi-1,000 rands.
Yes.
You understand? And I acknowledge and ngiyavuma ukuthi vele ngiyeza kuwe ngixakekile ngizothatha imali. So people get inspired by my
Confident, nokuzimela.
nokuba brave.
Yes, that's bravery.
Yeah, I understand.
What's what's
Angisabi, angiyakho ngisabise because at some point I felt ukuthi I've got nothing to lose.
Yes.
But what I have iqiniso.
Yes.
Because abantu ngizokhohlisa ukuthi ngizoba nginemali next week just ukuthi ngikususe eceleni kwami. So I got calls from people about owabo mashonisa ukuthi yazi story. So that's how I got to inspire other people.
Oh wow, your story is such a beautiful journey. That is beautiful. It
Yeah.
is motivating, guys. Yazini nami, I am learning something lana. Angazi. We are so proud of you.
Thank you so
And
much.
kunalento kodwa ubisitshela okubatshela.
Okay.
I also understand ukuthi you were Mr. GPQIZ.
Yeah.
What? Please
I'm
say it out
I'm
loud.
I'm
like
a
that.
semi-finalist right now for 2025 of Mr. Gay Nation South Africa.
Oh,
Yes. And kunama sponsors. So what they require is for me to organize ama charity events. And bangithole vele ngikuleyo ndlela because what I do as the library cadet organize ama events.
oh, okay.
Yeah, so communities of benefit. So ama requirements we organization ka Mr. Gay Nation South Africa angithole vele ngemeqinqo.
Unje
Yes.
yazini.
So I believe that all things work for good
Yes.
to those who believe in God.
Oh wow. So what is it required from us, the community, to support you ukuthi ube lapha ku number 1? Do we vote? Do we do what? Please
Yes.
talk to us.
First and foremost, ngicela abantu bangifollow, bayekele ukulike kuphela nokukhomenta kuma DM. But ngicela ukuthi bangifollow.
Your names, please, on social media.
On Facebook, I'm Checkmate Radebe, and I'm still using that social media platform kakhulu.
Okay.
Yeah, bangifollow, then I attend my events. Yes, uyavotelwa, but i-trick ukuthi uvotelwa funeka ukhiphe imali ku-banking details zako-organization ka-Mr. Gay Nation South Africa.
Do you know the details by heart? Would you like us to put them on this show?
So, no, I do not know them by heart because besengizitshela ukuthi ngiyekela konke kuJehova. You know, when you are a recovered drug addict, abantu bangacabanga ukuthi uyabascammer.
Yes.
So I thought, you know what, let me just give it to God ukuthi adile nabo bonke.
Mm.
Yeah, but my manager just gave it to me. Now, ama details, it's NetBank current account, account number. Funeke ngize ngisho nama account number.
Mele uyisho.
No, mara,
Mele uyisho
manje-
nesizokufakela yona na ku screen.
No.
Everyone would see. Please let us support our own. Yazi ukuthini. Please continue.
So the account number, please, I'm wearing contact lenses.
Okay. The account number, guys, Miss Gay Nation SA.
Yes.
Yeah, NetBank, bank abayisebenzisayo, and then it's a current account. Account number at 1255832223. The branch code is not really important, but ngizoyibiza nayo. It's 198765. And then i-reference kuzoba NK, I guess that is for unkosana.
Yes.
Bese ke kuba bo 000 NKO. Those are the alphabets followed by the numbers 001. We'll also put it in our screen. Those who wish to please support, please bafowethu uthesilathela mali ntansekhaya.
Ikhona lapho, just go to Checkmate Radebe.
Oh.
Kukhona konke lapho.
Oh, ngiyabona la kunabo 3 rand per vote, guys, 2 rand per vote. Akusinto engako. Yes, kwabanye abantu it's something, guys, but then again, those who wish to vote, please let us do that. Let us support one of our own. This is our East Rand queen. You mind Queen or king?
Yes.
Yazi nawe
King.
wena ngabuzethu
King.
queen la.
King.
Okay.
King.
Please let us support our Israeli king.
Thank you so
And
much.
he's putting us on the map, guys. He is there. Let us support. Ayikho into endlula leyo. Ayikho. What more do we want? Umuntu ayenza so. So now again, Nkosana, thank you for coming to our show. We really appreciate you. And I'm so glad ukuthi ukulama charity what.
Yes.
Because we've also got something for you as Izigi to say thank you for coming. We thought of the best gift that we could give you, but I said, listen, it humbles him to do this. So we decided to get you something. Unfortunately, can I please? Unfortunately, angikwazi ukuyikhipha ngama-box, but ngizokunika ama-box wakhona because i-producer yami is advising otherwise ukuthi sekuyoba ngathi we are now promoting ubani, yes. But we've got 5 pair of shoes for you. Esicela ukuthi uzithathe and uzobona ukuthi uyozisebenzisa phi kubani kanjani.
May God continue to bless you and your family. Lanthathe khona kwande. Kangema ngiyabonga.
Izigi.
Ngiyayizwa ekho nama vibrations iyangenelela ekwatsaduza.
Yes.
So nami right now I'm collaborating with Movers and Shakers. I told them about this podcast.
Yes.
And I'm hoping ngelinye ilanga nabo ubanikeze this platform, and I thank God ukuthi nami ungirecognize as one of abantu baseThema.
Thank you so
and
much.
And I love, before I leave, ukubonga ifamily yakwaGadebe.
Thank you.
Eyangishiya uNomsa Likawu. She just passed on.
Yes.
So ngiyabonga kakhulu i-community yakwaThema. And nalaba abangikhuluma kabi nalaba basesekhona abangihlekayo phela you know i-success yami manje ne angikakabi nekari like angikakabi nezinto eziphathekayo.
Yes.
Kodwa konke lokho ngidingayo nginako. So ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Thank you so much, Bantwana Basekhaya. And that's it for today, Bantwana Basekhaya. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. It humbles me. I love my job. This is what makes me love my job. Itori ezifana nezakho, such an inspiration story. Yazini uyamotivate uqoqa nje story sakho. Cabanga ngamase sengifaka ku-motivational. Yo Nkosi yami, phuma ngisemoyeni.
And ngicela ungenzele one promise. Ukuthi one Sunday now free, I'd love to invite you to my church.
Yes.
Yeah, it's called Christ Divine Altar Ministry.
Okay.
So bangajabula ukuthi babone celebrate.
Yes.
Yeah.
Siyabonga. And can we talk about the picture, the portrait?
This is the person begangisapota kakhulu, so she just passed on.
Oh, the one we just talked about.
Yes. Because of cancer.
Oh.
So ngiyabonga kakhulu uke washo waba ne prophetic thing of some sort of vision.
So that's why you
ngelinye ilanga bazowazi umsebenzi wakho nenhliziyo yakho. So ngiyabonga kakhulu kukhona.
May his soul rest in peace.
Exactly.
Oh, thank you very much. Okay, thank you so much, guys. This was Izigi, one of the emotional episodes for me. I am so glad to be here. I love my work, guys. Thank you. Please do subscribe, do follow us, and do like. Nyabong. That was a Strawberry. Have a good day.